The American Women in Sports Media Club shared tips and tricks on resume building last week. Founded in 2024, the UK chapter of AWSM focuses on supporting and growing women and other gender-diverse individuals in careers of sports media and entertainment that are a predominantly male field. The organization provides a community for members to gain insight from professionals and create a bond with those who have similar dreams. President of AWSM, Libby Heckert, had this to say on her goals for the future of the club.
Again, to help those other people on campus that are trying to get into that career, whether it's sports marketing, sports management, or broadcasting, whatever it is just being that platform to help them get to the next place in their career.
AWSM is open to anyone who wants to join and learn more about the sports media world. The next meeting is October 21st at the Cornerstone Theater from 6 to 8 p.m. It will feature women in sports media who work at UK Athletics.